Hey now, just look at this. I just found the perfect, I would say, fallout mushroom. It looks actually like a pizza, right? And it's pretty solid here, but if you just walk by that, it actually really looks like a pizza. Or if you, like me, a fans of the Fallout games, it could be like a Fallout pizza or something which you just find in any of these Fallout games. So that's pretty funny mushroom, and it's the size of a small pizza, so it looks pretty awkward. That looks kind of interesting, that fungus mushroom. I mean, I've seen these before, right? They are just, you see them when a tree decays. But this one, I mean, like that brownish, clipperish thing in the middle, that looks strange. I don't know. I'm not touching it, but hey, we can touch it with this one. Let's just see. Oh, you know what? It's rock solid. It is super. Sorry for that, but she's rolling while I'm filming that. But that is like rubber. That is a super stable tree fungus, and well, that one is also solid.